Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll briefly explore open hi-hats and how they relate to the music we make. At its core, the hi-hat is made up of two cymbals controlled by a pedal, allowing them to open and close. To get that open washier sound, the drummer simply releases their foot off the pedal. This is how a closed hi-hat sounds. And this is the sound of an open hi-hat. Open hi-hats are not just for drummers. Many producers use open hi-hats to add interest and energy to their productions. While its effects might be subtle compared to a kick drum or snare drum, crafting meticulous hi-hat patterns can fill gaps in your groove or create the tension and release needed to keep the music engaging. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.